Hi everyone, this is Reggae. Today I'm going to show you how I put together my poinsettia. We have three different sizes, the large, the medium, and the small. You can take our 5-petal green, our 5-petal red, our other 5-petal red, and our 4-petal red. We're going to take our large 5-petal red and we're going to insert it into our green, staggering the petals. Then we're going to add our next size red petal. Okay, in this section you'll notice that the flower is not as shiny as our finished one. To get this effect, I spray painted a clear coat onto the flower. Then I added some glitter spray paint, and then I finished it off with another coat of clear paint. Okay, this is comparison of the medium flower to the larger flower. And our smaller flower to our medium size. Now I'm showing you how to clip off the end of the flower. Widen the hole. And next I'm going to show you how you can insert a stem for your flower. Okay, here you can see where we have made our hole. And this is just a wire stem that you can buy at any local craft store. I like the one that has the thread coating on it. Simply cut your wire to any size you like. Using some all-purpose glue, doesn't have to be clear. We're going to add some glue into the hole we made. Insert our stem. And I like to use a clothespin to hold it in place. Now you can just set it aside and let it dry. Now I'm going to show you what I use when I'm making a wreath, how I would add a stem to it. Add glue to the hole, and I like using toothpicks when I'm making a wreath. And again, use a clothespin to hold it in place until it dries.